welcome to the Learning Ladder. Today I'm sharing with you what's inside the Scottish baby box for 2026. So I'm currently 34 weeks pregnant and I received mine today. I'm just showing you a little tour around the box, which they say obviously your children can colour if they like. So that's all the sides of the box. So all pregnant women in Scotland are eligible for the box. They all receive it. There's no cost to it in terms of to get the box, although obviously tax is arguably a little bit more expensive in Scotland than it is in England, but other than that, everyone gets one. So the box can actually be used for sleeping, and they give you some guides here to follow on the other side of the box, so you could use it for your little one to nap on downstairs or something along those lines if you'd like. So this is what content-wise looks like when I opened the lid. It did have some brown paper in there, but I've removed it. So we've got the safety instructions here, obviously for the sleeping in the box. There is a leaflet to get free reusable nappy sample and period pants. Important information enclosed. Okay, so the first thing is a piece of art, which is really pretty. Wilhelmina Barnes Grain Trust. And it's the summer light blue design. Just mention all the boxes are gender neutral, so you obviously whichever you're having is supposed to work. So this is just a little leaflet to go with. Explains about the gift from the Scottish Government and if anything's missing who you're supposed to contact, and then it's just a little leaflet to give you all information about different breastfeeding positions, how to express, safe sleep, and so on. Also has a little gift from the Scottish National Orchestra, a little app that you can download. Oh, and here's a little poem written by Jackie Kay in 2016. That's really sweet. So you do get one with every single child, but because this is my first time living in Scotland, this is the first time I've ever actually gotten the box. So let's look what's inside. So we've got a pair of newborn scratch mitts. We have a pair of 0 to 3 months and 3 to 6 months socks. Some nail files. We have a good size large white hooded towel. There are a pack of maternity pads and a 4-pack of organic bamboo breast pads with a wash bag. So that's really good because they're obviously reusable. We have a pack of muslin squares. Looks like there's quite a few in there. So I think there are 3 in total. They look as though they're going to be quite big. We've got some books. We've got Hush Little Baby and Other Songs. So it's nursery round 1. It's really cute. We also have Goodnight Babies. Oh, it reminds me of the Goodnight Owl book. So this is a Nosy Crow book. I always really like those ones for babies. And then we have Out and About with a little attachment that you can attach to the pram. Ooh, everything's falling. I'm trying to do this one-handed. There we go. Oh, that's cute. There is a teddy sponge, a digital bath and room thermometer. We have got a change mat that obviously you can put in your change bag. So more of a travel one. And then you have a baby wrap with the instructions. And then in this zip bag, which is handy for storage, you've got this massive play mat, which looks really cool. There is also a little giraffe comfort blanket. That is so cute. You have a digital thermometer, a baby toothbrush, some birth control. Okay, moving on to the clothes. Okay, there is this green and white striped, spotted even, romper. That is in 0 to 3 months. Cute little hat. A bandana style bib. We've got a little pair of pants. They're sort of, I would say 0 to 1 month really. Possibly 0 to 3. Depending on how big your baby is. I would say 0 to 1 month. But the tag actually says 0 to 3 months, so there we go. And then a second one that is 3 to 6 months. We've got 2 pairs of the pants. A 0 to 3 month long sleeve white vest. The poppers. This cute little 3 to 6 month zipped jacket. It's even got little pockets. And ears, of course, gotta have ears. That's adorable. It's really soft as well. Okay, this one is 3 to 6 months even, with the alphabet on. It's like a little dungaree style. And this is a cute little long sleeved wrap vest in newborn. I absolutely love that. Another vest, this is in 0 to 3 with the alphabet on. I don't know what's wrong with me today, with numbers on. Oh my god. And little poppers as well. Now this one has got the alphabet on and it's 3 to 6 months. It looks massive though, but it's 3 to 6 according to the tag. We have another long sleeve newborn bodysuit with the poppers, and a 0 to 3 month sleep suit with numbers on. And again, this looks massive, but it says 0 to 3. And they're being really generous with the sizing. There's also a little teething ring in here. And then you get, oh, there's another vest. We've got another short sleeve this time, little bodysuit vest. And that is in size newborn. These are really helpful because obviously your little one might not be in newborn size for very long. But there's 3, so there's 2 long sleeve and 1 short sleeve, so that's really helpful. I'm really happy about that. So as I mentioned, you can use this box for them to sleep in for a little bit at least if you wanted to. So it's a really padded, comfortable mattress with a zip washable cover, and then you get 2 sheets with it, and then you get this massive big giant cellular blanket. So that's everything that came in the Scottish Baby box. It's huge. You don't get anything like this in England, so this is amazing. Super happy to get this time around in my pregnancy. And all you have to do is your midwife will give you a form to fill out. You just fill it out, she'll sign it already, and then you'll just post it, and then you'll just wait. You don't hear anything, which I was like, oh, did they get the form? Did they not? But I just got a text message saying, oh yes, we'll be delivering your baby box in the next couple of weeks. And I was about 32 weeks then. And then it arrived today at 34 weeks, and I got another text to say parcel force are delivering it. So there you go. That's how it works, and I think it's very generous. It is gender neutral. I do think it leans more masculine, but that's just my opinion. I am having a boy anyway, so that's fine with me. But I think obviously it is definitely gender neutral. But I just feel like there are so many lovely little things in here. It was a pleasure to get. So thanks so much for watching. Take care. See you soon.